I do this next song, especially during the holidays. It's the one that I think there's just no politically incorrect thing about this, no matter who your higher power is. I think we can all agree on one thing, and see what you think of this song. Nat King Cole. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. Though he spoke of many things, of fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Da 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 da. Then one day, that magic day, he passed my way. And though he spoke of many things, of fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. In return. In return. Oh yeah, I love that one. When it came on the radio back in the early 50s and mid 50s, it was so different than any song we'd ever heard at that time. Everybody went to the radio and went, oh my gosh. It was like when Norah Jones first came on the radio, you went, whoa, who is that? I hope they say who it is. Anyway, I've been playing that one at the hospice visits and stuff like that for folks around this time. And yeah, like James Taylor's too, like he says, love is the only road. He even goes further and says, everyone knows that love is the only road. So I really love that. Sorry. Anyway, you have a really a great evening and a happy, wonderful holiday season with your family and loved ones. And let's keep our focus on hope and love. And that's going to be a good one for us, I think. So here's to Christmas 2020. Night all.